Welcome to GTC! GTC, we're going to talk about technology. We're going to talk about platforms. NVIDIA has 3 platforms. You think that we mostly talk about one of them. It's related to CUDA-X. Our systems is another platform. And now we have a new platform called AI Factories. We're going to talk about all of them. And most importantly, we're going to talk about ecosystems. About 10 years ago, we thought that AI would revolutionize computer graphics. Just as GeForce brought AI to the world, AI is now going to go back and revolutionize how computer graphics is done all together. Well, today I'm going to show you something of the future. This is our next generation of graphics technology. We call it Neuro rendering, the fusion of 3D graphics and artificial intelligence. This is DLSS 5. Take a look at it. We fused controllable 3D graphics, the ground truth of virtual worlds, the structured data. Remember this word, the structured data of virtual worlds, of generated worlds. We combined 3D graphics, structured data, with generative AI, probabilistic computing. One of them is completely predictive, the other one probabilistic, yet highly realistic. We combine these two ideas, controlled through structured data, controlled perfectly, and yet generating at the same time. And as a result, the content is beautiful, amazing, as well as controllable. This concept of fusing structured information and generative AI will repeat itself in one industry after another industry after another industry. Structured data is the foundation of trustworthy AI. This is structured data. You've heard of it. SQL, Spark, Pandas, Velox, some of these really, really important, very large platforms. Snowflake, Databricks, EMR, Amazon EMR, Azure Fabric, Google Cloud, BigQuery. All of these platforms are processing data frames. These data frames are giant spreadsheets, and they hold all of life's information. This is the structured data, the ground truth of business. This is the ground truth of enterprise computing. Cloud Code has revolutionized software engineering, as all of you know. 100% of NVIDIA is using a combination of, or oftentimes all 3 of them, Cloud Code, Codex, and Cursor, all over NVIDIA. There's not one software engineer today who is not assisted by one or many AI agents helping them code. Cloud Code completely revolutionized. It's the new inflection. And for the first time, you don't ask an AI what, where, when, how. You ask it create, do, build. You ask it to use tools, take your context, read files. It's able to agentically break down a problem, reason about it, reflect on it. It's able to solve problems and actually perform tasks. An AI that was able to perceive became an AI that could generate An AI that could generate became an AI that could reason. An AI that could reason now became an AI that can actually do work. We created a brand new CPU. A brand new CPU that's designed for extremely high single-threaded performance, incredibly high data output, incredibly good at data processing, and extreme energy efficiency. It is the only data center CPU in the world that uses LPDDR5, and incredible single-thread performance and performance per watt that is unrivaled. And so we built that so that it could go along with the rest of these racks for agentic processing. And so here it is. This is the Grace Blackwell, Vera Rubin, where is it? Here it is, okay? So this is the Vera Rubin system. Notice, since the last time, 100% liquid cooled. All of the cables gone. What used to take 2 days to install now takes 2 hours. Incredible. And so the manufacturing cycle time is going to dramatically reduce. This is also a supercomputer that is cooled by hot water, 45 degrees, which takes the pressure off of the data center, takes all of that cost and all of that energy that's used to cool the data center and makes it available for the system. This is the secret sauce. We're the only company in the world that has today built the sixth generation scale-up switching system. This is not Ethernet. This is not InfiniBand. This is NVLink. This is the 6th generation NVLink. This is insanely hard to do well. It is insanely hard to do, period. And I'm just super proud of the team. NVLink, completely liquid cooled. This is the brand new Grok system, and I'll show you a little bit more about it. This system, 8 Grok chips. This is the LP30. The world's never seen it. Anything that the world's ever seen is V1. This is 3rd generation, and we're in volume production now. And I'll show you more about that in just a second. The world's first CPO Spectrum X switch. This is also in full production. Co-packaged optics. Optics comes directly onto this chip, interfaces directly to silicon. Electrons get translated to photons, and it gets directly connected to this chip. We invented the process technology with TSMC. We're the only one in production with it today. It's called COUP. It's completely revolutionary. NVIDIA is in full production with Spectrum X. Let me talk to you about something new. Peter Steinberger's here, and he wrote a piece of software. It's called OpenClaw, and I don't know if he realized how successful it's going to be, but the importance is profound. OpenClaw is the #1, it's the most popular open source project in the history of humanity, and it did so in just a few weeks. It exceeded what Linux did in 30 years. And it's that important. It is that important. It will do, this is all you do, okay? We're announcing our support of it. Let me just quickly go through this. I want to show you a couple things. You simply type this. You type this into a console, and it goes out. It finds OpenClaw. It downloads it. It builds you an AI agent, and then you could tell it whatever else you need to do. What is OpenClaw? It connects. It's an agentic system. It calls and connects to large language models. So the first thing it has resources that it manages. It could access tools. It could access file systems. It could access large language models. It's able to do scheduling. It's able to do cron jobs. It's able to decompose a prompt that you gave it into step by step by step. It could spawn off and call upon other sub-agents. It has I/O. You could talk to it in any modality you want. You could wave at it and it understands you. You could talk to any modality you want. It sends you messages. It texts you, sends you email. So it's got I/O. What else does it have? Well, based on that, you could say, in fact, it's an operating system. I've just used the same syntax that I would describe an operating system. OpenClaw has open sourced essentially the operating system of agentic computers. It is no different than how Windows made it possible for us to create personal computers. Now OpenClaw has made it possible for us to create personal agents. Ladies and gentlemen, Olaf. Does it?
Snowman coming through. Pardon me.
Newton
Hello.
works.
Wow.
Omniverse works. Olaf, how are you?
I'm so happy now that I'm meeting you.
I know, because I gave you your computer, Jensen.
Ooh, what's that?
Well, it's in your tummy.
That's gonna be amazing.
And you learn how to walk inside Omniverse.
I love walking. This is so much better than riding on a reindeer gazing up at a beautiful sky.
And it was because of physics, using this Newton solver that runs on top of NVIDIA Warp that we jointly developed with Disney and with DeepMind that made it possible for you to be able to adapt to the physical world. Check that out.
I was just about to say that.
That's how smart you are.
I'm a snowman, not a snowclopedia.
Could you imagine this? The future of Disneyland? All these robots, all these characters wandering around.
Oh.
You know, I have to admit though, I thought you were going to be taller. I've never seen such a short snowman, to be honest.
Nope.
All right, have a great GTC! Wave. Thank you, everybody.
Bye, new
See you,
best friends
Olaf.
that I just met.